हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज जिस टॉपिक पे मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ वो है आपका द चेंजिंग रोल ऑफ लाइब्रेरीज इन सोसाइटी। ये क्वेश्चन भी बहुत बार पूछा जाता है और रिपीट किया जाता है, तो मैंने सोचा आज हम इस टॉपिक को क्यों ना डिस्कस कर लें। तो शुरू करते हैं। लाइब्रेरीज हैव प्लेड अ क्रिटिकल रोल इन सोसाइटी फॉर सेंचुरीज and their significance has only grown in the context of a changing world. In the face of rapid technological advancement, shifting information consumption habit, and evolving social dynamic, libraries have adopted and continue to serve as vital institutions. Here are some key aspects of the role of library in the context of a changing society. तो सबसे पहला फंक्शन है एक्सेस टू इंफॉर्मेशन। लाइब्रेरीज हैव ऑलवेज बीन बास्टियन ऑफ नॉलेज एंड लर्निंग। In the digital age, they serve as gateways to a vast array of information resources, including books, ebooks, academic journal, databases, and multimedia content. This access to credible and diverse information foster lifelong learning and empower individuals to stay informed in a rapidly changing world. दूसरा है डिजिटल लिटरेसी। Library play a crucial role in promoting digital literacy and bridging the digital divide. They provide access to computer, internet connectivity and training programs that help individuals acquire essential digital skill. As technology become more integral to daily life, libraries ensure that people from all backgrounds can participate in the digital age. फिर है कम्युनिटी हब। Library act as a community hub where people can gather, interact, and engage in various activity. Beyond being places to borrow books, they host event, workshop, lectures, and social gathering that bring diverse group together. These spaces contribute to building social cohesion and fostering a sense of belonging in rapidly changing urban environment. फिर है लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग। द चेंजिंग जॉब लैंडस्केप रिक्वायर इंडिविजुअल्स टू अडेप्ट एंड अपस्किल कंटिन्यूसली. लाइब्रेरी सपोर्ट लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग इनिशिएटिव by offering resources for personal and professional development. They provide access to vocational training, language courses, coding, workshop, and other educational opportunity that enable people to stay relevant in the workforce. Next है preservation of culture and history. Libraries are essential for preserving cultural heritage and historical record. They safeguard books, manuscript, artifact, and other material that contribute to the collective memory of society. In a time of rapid change, libraries serve as anchor to our past, ensuring that knowledge is not lost or forgotten. Next है innovation and creativity. Libraries encourage innovation and creativity by providing spaces for experimentation and access to cutting-edge technologies. Marker spaces and digital labs in libraries enable people to tinker, create, and explore new ideas, fostering a culture of innovation. Intellectual freedom and privacy. In an era of increasing concern about data privacy and censorship, libraries uphold the principle of intellectual freedom and user privacy. They protect patrons' right to access information without fear of surveillance or restriction, fostering an open and democratic society. फिर है information literacy. With the proliferation of misinformation and fake news, libraries play a crucial role in promoting information literacy. They educate users about critical evaluation and verification of resources, helping individuals become discerning consumers of information. फिर है सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट. Libraries contribute to sustainable development by promoting environmental awareness and disseminating information about sustainable practices. They advocate for social responsibility and support initiatives that address global challenges such as climate change and inequality. उसके बाद है critical thinking. Libraries promote critical thinking and information literacy, teaching users how to evaluate resources and distinguish between reliable information and misinformation. फिर है health and well-being. Libraries support health and well-being initiative by providing resources on mental health, wellness, and offering spaces for relaxation and self-reflection. लास्ट है आपका एडवोकेसी फॉर इंटेलेक्चुअल फ्रीडम. Library advocate for intellectual freedom and privacy rights, ensuring that individuals can explore diverse ideas and opinion without fear of censorship. In conclusion, libraries remain indispensable institution in a changing society. They adapt to technological advancement, societal shift and emerging challenges to continue serving as pillars of knowledge, community engagement and cultural preservation. By embracing innovation while upholding core value, libraries ensure that they remain relevant and essential in meeting the needs of their communities in a rapidly evolving world. तो ये था मेरा आज का वीडियो, और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो जो भी मैं डालूँ उसकी नोटिफिकेशन आप लोगों तक पहुंच जाए. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर से एक नए टॉपिक के साथ मिलूंगी. तब तक के लिए बाय.